Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about two different Herbies, the 1/18 scale Giant Lightning Herbie and the 1/18 scale Hot Wheels Herbie. So I'm going to talk about them, talk about the differences they have, and give my opinion on them. So first off, I'm going to start off with the Johnny Lightning Herbie. So here it is, in all its glory. So I like this one for a particular reason because this was the first Herbie I got as a child. As you can see, there's a lot of wear and tear in it, right there in the bumper. Also, the mirror's gone as well. The back here, back bumper is falling apart. So, yeah. Open the hood. See, there's the spare tire in there. Right here. The interior, there's the steering wheel, also falling apart. Back right here. There's the engine inside. And there's the driver's side. And here is the undercarriage. So I'm going to talk about some differences with this car. So one thing that I want to point out right away is that the font of the 53, it's not really that accurate to the films, which I noticed that as a child, so like I was very confused about the font not being really accurate. Also, the stripes on it, the red is a bit too thin, and I think they use like a different color blue for the blue stripe. Also, if you look here, the wheels are like thinner compared to the Hot Wheels Herbie, but we'll get to that later. And also the license plate, not really that accurate. I like this one a lot. And also on the back here, I just noticed this, it has these hooves right here, these holes cut into it, which really cuts into the 53 because like these holes, I mean these grips right here, I'm not even sure what they are supposed to be actually called. But it really cuts into the look of Herbie because you have these things cut into him. But I still like this one a lot. And also, the Giant Lightning one is a little bit taller compared to the Hot Wheels Herbie. Anyways, let's get into the Hot Wheels one. This one on the way. So this one is a bit more accurate to the Love Bug. So here's the front of him. And this one still has the mirror on it. And this one also comes with the antenna, which the Giant Lightning one didn't. I'm trying my best to get the hood open. I'll probably have to open it off camera. Okay, so now I got the trunk open. You can see right there, there's the spare tire. We cut to like the pizza. And there's the gas cap. So let's open the doors. There's the interior. Very beautiful, well designed. Here's a better view of the interior on here. As you can see, it has the seatbelts, the racing seatbelts like it has in the film. And in the back, look here, in the passenger side, you can see in the back, kind of see like there's the gas can. It also has the roll cage in it, as you can see right in there, kinda. Here is the back. Here's the engine, all put together nicely. And there's a license plate. And also here is the undercarriage of him. So those are both the Hot Wheels Herbie and the John Lightning Herbie. Now I personally kind of prefer the Hot Wheels Herbie because it has more detail, more accurate to the original. But I also like the John Lightning one as well because of how much fun I got as a child. So yeah, that will do for this video. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you in the next video.